back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a quick and easy steak recipe. I promise that I do more recipes in my Ninja Foodie Grill / air fryer, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to make these in my Ninja Foodie Grill. So to get started, here I have 2 ribeye steaks that I went ahead and washed thoroughly and I pat them dry. And for the seasonings, I'll be keeping it super simple using some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Knorr's beef bouillon. Yes guys, you don't need any salt or any other seasoning. This works perfectly fine. You don't even need the black pepper and the onion and garlic powder, but I'm just using them to add extra flavor to the steaks. So what you want to do is combine all of the seasonings. You want to mix them really well. I will leave the correct measurements that I used right down in my description box, but please be reminded that it depends on the size of your steaks and how you like it. If you want more seasoning added, go right ahead and do just that. Once we're done, we're gonna saturate the steaks with some oil. Use any oil of your choice. Today I'm using canola oil, and you want to rub that in, and after we're done, we will generously coat the steaks with the seasonings on both sides. Then we'll allow it to sit and marinate for about 1 hour. Next, you want to preheat your air fryer, or if you have a Ninja Foodie Grill. I am setting this on the grill setting on high, and it will be set for 10 minutes, but I will only be cooking the steaks for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side because I don't want to overcook the steaks. So it's on high, so it's not going to take very long to cook. 3 or 4 minutes if you want them medium. If you want it well done, then you do the full 10 minutes. After about 4 minutes, I will now flip the steaks and allow them to go for 3 more minutes on the other side. And after about 7 minutes in total, the steaks are finally done, guys. Look at those grill marks. They look gorgeous and smell amazing. Now we will go ahead and add some garlic butter onto our steaks to help keep them moist, and we'll allow them to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before we serve. And here you have it, guys. My version of a quick and easy but yet delicious steak in the Ninja Foodie Grill. I did serve that up with some mashed potatoes and stir-fried vegetables. It was absolutely delicious, and I hope you guys give my recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.